In this short video, we'll install Jupyter Notebook in a Python virtual environment. Specifically, we'll be using pyenv to create the environment. If you don't have pyenv installed, I'll put a link to a Python virtual environments video I've created, which will show you how to use venv and pyenv to create Python virtual environments in the description below. To get started, I'll create a project directory and change into it. Then I'll use pyenv to create a new virtual environment named demoenv. Now I'll activate the environment. If I do a pip list, we'll see I currently only have pip installed. So I'll install Jupyter using pip. Now, if I do a pip list, we'll see Jupyter listed along with its dependencies. To launch a notebook, I'll issue the Jupyter Notebook command, and we'll see Jupyter launch in a browser. From here, I can create a new notebook and add some markdown and a simple print statement. If I save the notebook, then go back to the home page, we'll see its interactive Python notebook, or pyenv file, listed. In the future, when I come back into the virtual environment and launch Jupyter, this notebook will be ready to work with. Now, I'll terminate Jupyter, deactivate the virtual environment, and then delete the virtual environment. And of course, with the virtual environment deleted, the notebook no longer exists. So be sure to skip the deletion step if you want to keep the notebook around. That concludes this short video on installing Jupyter Notebook in a Python virtual environment. If you found it useful, feel free to give it a like. And if you'd like to be notified when I add more content to the channel, like a forthcoming video on working in Anaconda, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.